Welcome to Alvin Media House, your exclusive portal to the enchanting world of cinematic marvels. I'm Alvin, and today we're setting out on an exhilarating journey to Atlanta, a city that beckons filmmakers with its diverse locations, rich history, and boundless creative possibilities. And if you're wondering, yes, Atlanta does have a few real-life superheroes of its own, though you might not spot them in spandex on your morning coffee run. Instead, they're the unsung heroes of creativity, wielding cameras, scripts, and an insatiable passion for storytelling. So, grab your metaphorical cape, and let's dive into a world where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, and where dreams are spun into cinematic gold. Before we dive headfirst into the world of filmmaking, let's take a leisurely stroll through downtown Atlanta. Here, amidst the city's charm, we're reminded of how locations play a crucial role in the storytelling process. Each frame is a carefully crafted brushstroke, a part of the filmmaker's palette, designed to evoke emotions, spin tales, and etch unforgettable moments into the reel. It's all part of the magic that unfolds behind the scenes in the filmmaking world, where creativity knows no bounds, and every corner of this city holds the potential for cinematic wonders. While you're along for this cinematic adventure, consider subscribing to Alvin Media House. You won't want to miss out on a backstage pass to our world of filmmaking magic, where we'll unlock the art of bringing stories to life, and you'll be at the front row for all the action. Now, behind these closed doors, the real magic unfolds. This is our creative sanctuary, where we meticulously prepare for an exhilarating shoot. Among our tools of the trade are replica firearms, prop currency, and a host of carefully crafted details. Here, we set the stage for cinematic excellence with a dash of movie-making wizardry. As the sun rises on the following day, our dedicated crew gathers, each of us embracing our roles with unshakable dedication. We don attire that transcends the mundane, like a detective's trench coat that holds the secrets of a thrilling mystery, or a warrior's armor that carries the weight of an epic battle. It's a moment when the magic truly unfolds before your eyes, where we're no longer mere ordinary folks, but dynamic stars who breathe life into the silver screen. It's the embodiment of dreams taking shape, with every costume piece, makeup brushstroke, and shared sense of purpose adding a layer of authenticity to the world we're about to create. It's the feeling of ordinary lives being momentarily set aside as we step into extraordinary stories. This is where the art of storytelling takes center stage. The collaborative spirit and shared passion among the crew are what drive the dream of every filmmaker. But it's not just about passion, it's about innovation too. On our film set, it's more than just a workplace. It's a creative sanctuary where we paint stories with light, sound, and emotion. You'll often find us employing action cameras to infuse dynamism into our narratives, a little trick we've learned over the years. These compact wonders add a unique perspective, capturing the heart-pounding action sequences that keep audiences on the edge of their seats. Whether it's the thrilling heist in The Caper Chronicles, the heart-pounding chase in Wheels of Destiny, or the adrenaline-fueled escape in Escape from the Abyss, action cameras have become a staple in the toolkit of storytellers. They lend an adrenaline rush to product showcases and commercials too, from high-speed car ads to the breathtaking landscapes of travel promos. It's a dynamic tool that elevates storytelling to a whole new level, and we're always excited to share it with you. Amidst the intensity of our work, we treasure moments of levity. Amidst the fervor of our work, we hold dear those moments of sheer levity. Laughter is a steadfast companion, a remedy for even the most recent on-set mishaps. These stories, often born from the unpredictability of our craft, serve as the threads weaving the fabric of our shared history. They're the anecdotes that entertain, connect, and bind us as a tight-knit filmmaking family. In this realm of creativity, even within the most complex scenes, laughter proves to be the secret ingredient that elevates our spirits and strengthens our connections. Challenges are a fundamental aspect of our craft, and ensuring safety is always our top priority. In the world of filmmaking, it's not always smooth sailing. We encounter unexpected hurdles that demand quick thinking and adaptability to ensure the well-being of our team and cast. It's a testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering exceptional work while keeping everyone safe. Let's dive into a few examples that illustrate the lengths we go to in the name of safety. In the legendary film Titanic, directed by James Cameron, the iconic scene where Rose, played by Kate Winslet, floats on a piece of debris in the freezing waters of the Atlantic Ocean, was a monumental challenge. To ensure Kate's safety and performance, they used a specially heated pool and employed a meticulous harness system. This attention to detail not only created an unforgettable cinematic moment, but also safeguarded the well-being of the cast. In the realm of action-packed films, consider Tom Cruise, known for performing many of his stunts. In Mission Impossible: Ghost Protocol, he dangled from the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. This stunt involved meticulous planning, cutting-edge safety measures, and a dedicated team of professionals, all to capture that thrilling moment while prioritizing safety. Another case in point is the epic The Revenant, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The production faced extreme weather conditions and remote locations. The team had to adapt, often shooting in sub-zero temperatures, which presented significant safety challenges. They used innovative gear and techniques to keep everyone safe while delivering an Oscar-winning masterpiece. These examples remind us that filmmaking is a blend of art and science, where challenges are met with creative solutions and rigorous safety protocols. It's a testament to our industry's commitment to delivering cinematic wonders while ensuring the well-being of those who bring these stories to life. But let's not forget the lighter side of these challenges. You know, in this business, we've had moments when we've had to channel our inner director mode and exclaim, "Cut, let's explore Plan B." Sometimes, the thrill can border on the too thrilling, and safety takes precedence. So, we adjust, adapt, and ensure that every shot is a blend of cinematic brilliance, seasoned with the occasional dash of humor, and more importantly, everyone's well-being. Now, back to our cinematic adventures, where every challenge is just another page in our blockbuster story. After the flurry of action, it's time to gather around the screen and delve into our captured moments. We huddle with our director, Elmar, who skillfully guides us through each scene's nuances. It's in these moments that we refine our craft, ensuring every frame takes us closer to cinematic perfection. As the footage plays before our eyes, Elmar's keen eye for detail and vision brings our performances to life. With every scene dissected and analyzed, we fine-tune our art, polishing our roles until they shine with brilliance. These discussions and feedback sessions are the heart of our craft, where we not only craft stories that resonate deeply with audiences, but also create an atmosphere of collaboration and shared creativity. It's not just a job, it's a shared passion, a family of creative minds working together to craft memorable stories. On this film set, we're more than colleagues. We're fellow adventurers on a quest to tell extraordinary tales. As we approach the final curtain, we step into an essential element of our creative process, the interview with the company head. It's in these moments that we add a personal touch to our advertising, emphasizing that every project is a unique collaboration. But interviewing is more than just asking questions. It's a skill that unlocks hidden narratives. In the world of filmmaking, interviews are the keys to the treasure chest of storytelling. It's about creating a space where the subject feels comfortable sharing their thoughts, where their passion shines through. We believe in the power of open-ended questions that allow our subjects to express themselves fully. A simple shift in phrasing can lead to profound insights. For instance, consider our conversation with the company head in Innovate Horizons. By asking, "What inspired you to embark on this journey?" Instead of, "Tell us about your company's journey," we elicited a heartfelt response that resonated with audiences. Interviews are a dance of words, where the interviewer is both the choreographer and the dance partner. We ensure that every question isn't just a query but a gateway to the soul of the story. By fostering a genuine connection with our subjects, we draw out authentic, unscripted narratives. And here's the intriguing part. In the world of filmmaking, every interview is a mystery waiting to be unraveled, a journey through the labyrinth of human experience. As we delve into these narratives, we uncover the untold stories that make every project unique. It's a captivating voyage that keeps us on the edge of discovery, a treasure hunt for the hidden gems that shape our cinematic wonders. If you share our passion for filmmaking, we invite you to connect and embark on a creative journey with us. Let's bring your vision to life and create cinematic wonders together. Whether it's a corporate narrative, a documentary on social change, or a commercial meant to spark intrigue, we're here to turn your stories into unforgettable cinematic experiences. Thank you for sharing this incredible journey with us. And hey, if you ever feel like you're filling up your creative tank and wondering where inspiration comes from, just remember, even the best filmmakers have moments when they're gassing up at the station, trying to find that elusive spark. Who knew that the secret to inspiration could be hidden right behind the nozzle? So, we invite you to subscribe to Alvin Media House and become a part of our exciting cinematic odyssey. Until next time, let's continue inspiring and being inspired, whether it's on a film set or at the gas station, because creativity knows no bounds, even in the most unexpected places.